Now for COVID-19 updates. As we reported last month, California requires counties to move through a 4-tier system, divided by colors, representing the number of new cases and percentage of positivity. Last Tuesday, Riverside County progressed from the most restrictive purple tier to the red tier, indicating the spread of the virus has improved from widespread to substantial. Moving into the red tier means more business sectors can open with capacity restrictions. Now, these include swap meets and malls, as well as indoor businesses such as retail shops, personal care services, restaurants, museums, zoos, places of worship, and gyms. Schools can also reopen without waivers, but must wait 2 weeks before doing so. The next level is the moderate virus spread orange tier. To help Riverside County get there, officials are encouraging residents to take the county's free coronavirus test, whether or not they're experiencing COVID-19 symptoms. This allows infected individuals and their close contacts to be easily identified and quarantined, which slows the spread of the disease. Supervisor V. Manuel Perris says that testing is for everyone, regardless of immigration status or insurance. By getting tested, you are helping to keep your family and our community healthy. Go to our website to see the list of free testing locations. The risk of catching COVID might have some people nervous about voting in person for the upcoming election. However, the Riverside County Registrar of Voters office has many protections in place, which they hope alleviate concerns. The Registrar's office encourages everyone, if they can, to vote using their mail-in ballots. You can mail back your ballot using the included postage-paid return envelope. It needs to be postmarked by Election Day, November 3rd, and it will be counted if received at the Registrar's office up to 17 days after the election. If you would rather drop off your mail-in ballot, you can do so at any one of the 80 drop-off location centers, which will be open October 5th through November 3rd. You can go to where'smyballot.sos.gov to track your vote-by-mail ballot every step of the way. Now, if you lose your ballot or make a mistake on it, or just prefer to vote in person, you can go to any one of the 120 in-person vote centers in the county. Unlike past elections, you will not be assigned to just one polling place. Remember to wear a mask when you go, and if you don't, one will be provided for you. They will also have free face shields and hand sanitizer. Social distancing will be enforced. Our website has links to get you informed on what you need to know regarding the election. And whether you plan on using the mail-in ballot or going to the polls in person, the most important thing to do is to vote. Recently, a small business survey found that up to 44% of businesses are at risk of shutting down. Alongside financial concerns, many entrepreneurs struggle to keep up with the most current legislation and the safety actions needed to successfully move forward. Thankfully, Riverside County has been proactive in developing a framework to drive business to the road of recovery.
When the shelter-in-place emergency was declared in March, Riverside County ramped up many free resources to assist small businesses. In Riverside County alone, $46.5 million were granted in small business loans and $5 million in nonprofit grants. In addition, several cities throughout the county are also offering grant assistance programs. Just this month, Governor Newsom signed Assembly Bill 1577, allowing small businesses to exclude PPP loans from taxes, and Senate Bill 1447, which gives tax credits to businesses with less than 100 employees. Both new laws are in an effort to bolster economic recovery for affected businesses. Most recently, Round 3 of the Assistance Grant Program opened on September 16th, allowing eligible small businesses to receive up to $10,000 in grants.
We are currently in the third and what we think is going to be the last phase of this grant program. It will end either October 30th or when funds are depleted. At this point, we probably have somewhere around 500 to 700 applications still available. So we encourage all businesses that have not yet applied for the program to do so as soon as possible.
Eligible businesses include private for-profit businesses in Riverside County with 49 employees or less that have been operating for 1 year and are in good standing with the city it operates in. The Inland Empire SBDC has put in 9,000 hours of consultation to assist over 2,500 businesses.
How is the SBDC helping in this uncertain time?
So outside of just, loan and grant assistance, we have training on, digital marketing and, your business finances and projections and loan packaging. And we are basically an instant network for you, right? You can tap into our team, which then immediately gives you an executive team. You have a finance and HR, a marketing. So you'd have a team working for you immediately.
Another helpful resource is the County of Riverside's Business Ambassador Program, which was developed to help guide businesses through COVID-19 and the different relief programs to find out which one is best for them.
We have just been really moved by the reactions and the responses from the businesses that we've talked to so far. Sometimes you just feel like you're losing hope and just don't know where to go, where to turn to. And so that's why we are here. We're here just to be able to answer questions, walk your business through industry guidance, public health orders, so that can I open and how do I go about opening as far as what safety precautions should I be taking and those measures.
Whether it is providing the appropriate signage or supplying masks or support, the Business Ambassador Program is here to help businesses know what their next steps are. Green Acres Ranch is a testament to the success of this program.
We actually received a grant that's going to help us pay for supplies, keep everything open, keep us COVID compliant. I think for all the small businesses and community people, that it's a resource that everyone needs to participate in. It's not a place that's going to come out and say, these are all the things that you're doing wrong or shut you down. It's a place that's going to come out and say, let us help you.
COVID-19 has forced small businesses to pivot and adapt in order to keep afloat. While entrepreneurs are resilient, all assistance is welcomed. The community can help too by shopping locally and supporting community nonprofits.
A proactive, no-cost step businesses can do is to commit to safe COVID-19 practices. The Safer Together, Greater Together pledge represents the commitment to uphold the latest standards and benchmarks established by the state of California and Riverside County. JDS Creative Academy has taken the pledge. Find out how your business can do the same on our website. And also on our website, check out the list of pledged businesses to support and the list of financial resources for small businesses.